In today's video, we're unboxing the Redmi Watch 5. This is brand new and it's the Lite version. So let's see what's in the box. So we'll turn it around and open it. Oof, that was easy. Check out the box. Place this on the side. This is the watch. We'll get to that later. Let's see what else is inside here. As usual, we have the charger. It's magnetic to normal USB, as usual. Have our paperwork. Put that on the side. And doesn't seem to be anything else in the box, so we'll put this on the side and focus on our watch. So let's open it. Take it out. There we go. And just pull this paper latch slowly. That was smooth. And here's our watch, the Redmi Watch 5, the Lite version. The strap. And that's it. So I'll be making subsequent videos on how to power it on and how to do stuff on this watch. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can be able to get these videos and watch them. The comment section is open to you if you want to comment on anything or leave a question. Until the next one, thanks for watching the video. We'll take care and God bless.